Welcome back, and in the last tutorial we changed a page and we added some content. Now we need to edit the menu, and that gives me a great opportunity to show you how to create custom menus and edit your menu and add different items to it if you want to. So let's get back into the dashboard here. At the top here, as ever, we go to Bill's blog dashboard, and we want to take a look at menus. Okay, now menu is actually a sub-menu to appearance. So if we go to appearance, themes, widgets, menus. We did headers earlier, so we're working up here. Now we're going to have a look at menus. Okay, now you'll see that it's very important here. You might just want to watch this video a couple of times because I don't want it to be too long, so I'm kind of talking quite fast. But anyway, in theme locations, it says your theme supports one menu, select which menu you would like to use. And we're using the main menu. Okay, that should already be set up to use the main menu, because you can actually set it up, you can actually create different custom menus. Alright, so main menu. Now main menu, the actual design of the main menu is over on the right hand side here. And you'll see that we have these grey areas which can actually just be dragged around. It's really a neat system. Okay, so you'll notice it says blog, then MLM lead generation today, and then it's got the foreclosure to 28 reps in 21 days, and boost your MLM, and free leads through Twitter. You'll notice they're indented. That's because they're a sub-menu to this menu here. Let me just show you what I'm talking about, just so you are very clear on what I'm saying here. Okay, it's saying leave page because it thinks I changed something, so it's warning me, but I didn't change anything. Anyway, so if you see, these menus don't have sub-menus, so when I roll over them, nothing happens. And when I roll over this one, this sub-menu appears. And that sub-menu is created in the menu section we were just in. And you can tell when it's a sub-menu because it's indented. And the indenting is just done visually. I'll show you, I'll add a page in a moment. But let's scroll down. You'll see resources and tools, coaching, about me, work with your name. So we want to edit that particularly. We want that to say Bill. Navigation label, work with your name. Nope, we want it to say work with Bill. Okay, work with Bill. And there we are. Now we just need to make sure we save the menu. Always don't forget to click a save button somewhere on the page. Okay, so if we wanted to add in a page to our menu, we can do that very simply. Now what we need to do is we need to look over here, and this is going to show us all of the pages that have been created over in the pages area, which is from the last tutorial. So just to remind you, the page area is here. Okay, we edited a page there, and all the pages in here will also show in this menu here, pages. So let's say, for example, I notice in this menu we don't have a contact button. Okay, let's have a look at the site briefly. I'll show you that. If we go to visit site, there is no contact button here. Okay, right at the end here it says work with Bill, and then it ends. So we could add a contact. If we wanted to add a contact button here, we can, and this is how we do it. So we go to the menu, back to the dashboard. Actually, I can go directly to menus here. Let's do that. And then what we do is, if we scroll down, so we need to click on contact, click add to menu. Now it appears at the bottom. It appeared after work with Bill, and it's actually added it then in there already. Don't forget, save menu. Okay, now let's take a look at the page again, visit site, and there we are. It's that simple. So now the button for contact is there. If we click on it, okay, we need to obviously add. We need to edit that page. Remember, in the last tutorial it was about editing pages. You need to go and edit that page. But there's the contact button. Now, let's say you don't like contact here. You want to have contact over here, maybe in between these two. Let me show you how to do that. Go back to menus again. It's pretty self-explanatory, to be honest with you. It's if you want to move contact, you Pick it up and you drag it. Now you notice that it's indenting. As I move it up, it indents below and then goes above. So initially you see it's kind of, that would be just a button. If I move it up a little bit more, it indents and it would become a sub-menu to resources and tools. So if I let go, it would be a sub-menu to resources and tools. Actually, let me just show you that so you know, so you're very clear on what I mean. Okay, let's go to there, visit site again. You see now, if we go to resources and tools, it's a sub-menu to that. Isn't it really such a cool thing? It used to be really difficult to do these drop menus. Okay, so now we go back to menus. We don't want it as a drop menu. It doesn't make sense to have contact as a drop menu. I just did that to demonstrate. So we pick it up, keep dragging, drag to the top. You know, sometimes it doesn't scroll. You have to kind of drop it and then use the scroll bar on the left. But anyway, I'm going to drop it in between there, in between blog and MLM lead generation. What am I going to do now? Don't forget, save menu. If you don't save it, nothing changes. And then let's visit the site. And there we are. You see it says blog, contact, MLM lead generation. It's really that simple. Now don't forget, if you want to edit these pages, you need to watch the pages tutorial, which is above this one. And that's it. That is the whole story on menus. Thanks for listening. This is Mark signing out. See you in the next can't talk, sorry. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks, bye.